And a beach somewhere in the park somewhere. Our camp on the beach. Let's go down and have a little word with some of the campsite contestants. Hello!
Oh dear. Hello!
What are you doing?
Reading again.
Where are we?
We are in...
Well, I couldn't remember.
Oh god, I can't remember now either. We are in Francois Perron National Park.
Good.
Yesterday we went in a hot tub.
How was that?
It was a bit like being like a lobster. Broiling, I think is the word. It must have been about...
Interesting tan line.
30 degrees, I know. I have a tan line! I actually have tan lines, that's pretty exciting. Yeah. Yeah, hot tub.
What do you think about a campsite? Good. Yeah. Snake.
Fortunately,
Saved him.
Heroically. Saved him.
Saved him. Life. His life was in my hands.
I've yet to see a bilby.
A bilby? What's a bilby?
It's like a large rat with some ears that look like Mickey Mouse's that got stuck on it and a huge tail. And the signs in the road that walk past them, they must be at least as big as Fluffy. Definitely.
That's going to be quite big.
You must be warned of them.
Right. I'm going to go say hello to Adam.
Go on.
Zoom on your camera is amazing.
It's brilliant, isn't it? No, close in, right close out. Tell us about what's going on here.
Where?
Here, where we are.
Here.
What you're doing, what's happening.
It's going out.
Okay. Where was it before?
It was the same place.
Right.
It has been there most of the day.
Okay. This is pretty exciting stuff. I'm glad we're able to capture it so thoroughly.
Now it's going out again.
Now it's going out again.
That's what time it is.
So how long have you been sitting here until you figured that out?
I didn't need to figure it out, I knew it already.
You knew it already. And what causes the tide to go in and out?
It's the moon.
The moon?
Gravitation.
Where's the moon?
It's over there and down a bit.
So we can't see it, but it's providing some kind of magical influence over us.
Yes.
And you expect people to believe this?
I don't expect them to believe anything. I simply state facts.
Right.
People will believe all sorts of crazy
They will
things,
believe all sorts of crazy. Like what?
Like aliens.
Aliens?
I believe in aliens.
I think we've got an alien with us. You. Tell me about the book you're reading.
This book, Heliconia Summer,
Yep.
contained the greatest sentence ever laid down on paper. When discussing the amount of dolphins in a large shoal of dolphins, one of the characters was heard to utter that she didn't know exactly how many dolphins were in the shoal, but that maybe it was 1,342.
Maybe.
But she didn't know, just maybe.
Just maybe.
Tell us about the atheists again.
What atheist? Oh, the fly just came and said hello.
Atheists in the book.
There's atheists in the book?
And what that belief did to them.
I'm sure that's suitable family viewing. So we farewell the beach, which we'll stay at for a while, till we get bored of it.